Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to enable mouse click sound in Windows. To start, enter sounds in the search box. Open Change System Sounds. Here in the Sounds tab, click on the Select option. Now from the Sounds drop-down menu, choose the desired sound. You can test the sound by clicking Test. Apply these changes. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.